Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on UI Builder and Workspaces. In today's video, let's create a page in the workspace experience we have created previously. To access the experience we have previously created, click on All menu and search for UI Builder in the navigation filter. The UI Builder interface opens up in a new tab. Click on the Experiences tab and search for the experience that you have created. Click on the experience. We can start creating new pages in the experience by clicking on the Create New Page button. Pages can be created either from scratch or by using a template. As you can see, we have multiple page templates available in ServiceNow. For this video, I'll create a page using the dashboard template. To select the template, click on Use Template and give a meaningful name. Click on Continue. As you can see, since I have chosen the dashboard template, this template does not come with any required parameters and optional parameters are already defined. Most of the page content that we are going to create is going to be dependent on these parameters. To continue, click on Looks Good. Now we have to define the name for our variant. I'm going to name this variant as Incident Overview. Here, we are creating a variant because a page is a specific URL where the content lives. Each page can have multiple variants which can be viewed based on conditions or the audience that we have set. Here, we can add audience so that only those specific audience can view the variant. Here I am giving the audience as admin. That is, the audience with the admin role will be able to view my variant. In case we do not specify any audience, then any user will be able to view or access our variant. For variants created using a different page template, we will be able to define some conditions as well, under which the variant can be viewed. We will see examples of such conditions in the following videos. Now, to create the variant, click on Create. As you can see, a dashboard page has been created. Let's see how we can style and configure this page in the upcoming video. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.